In the third video, we will go ahead and deploy the captured app stack to a Citrix XenDesktop VDI that already has the app volume agent installed. Do a pre-validation before the app stack has been assigned. Reboot the VM. Validate that the app stack has been assigned, the applications are visible, and open a file that is associated with an application within the app stack. Once we've completed with the validation, we will go ahead and begin the process of unassigning the app stack from the virtual machine, reboot the virtual machine, and do a post-validation. Okay then, now it's time to move from PowerPoint into the demo session. In this video, we'll go ahead and assign the captured app stack with the two applications to a Citrix XenDesktop virtual machine in a production environment hosted on a Citrix XenServer platform. I've gone ahead and created a virtual machine within XenDesktop for this particular demo. We will first go ahead and log in to the XenDesktop to confirm that it does not have any app stacks assigned or applications. I also have a PDF document that I downloaded earlier to confirm that we can go ahead and attach an app stack, use the Acrobat Reader within the app stack to go ahead and launch the PDF. As we can see, there is no app stack disk volume attached. We can go back into the App Volume Manager, launch the console, and log in. We go into the Volumes tab where we've gone ahead and created our first app stack to go ahead and now assign that app stack to the Citrix XenDesktop virtual machine. I go ahead and search for the virtual machine, highlight it, and go ahead and assign the app stack. In this particular segment, we do not see the confirmation that the virtual machine requires a reboot. We see the confirmation that it has only been assigned to the virtual machine and the two applications that would get attached to that particular virtual machine. So we need to go back into the XenDesktop virtual machine and reboot the virtual machine to ensure that the App Volume Manager agent installed on that virtual machine would communicate back to the App Volume Manager and verify if there are any app stacks assigned, now that we've actually assigned one to the virtual machine. Once we've logged back in, we can go ahead and verify if the app stack has been assigned. As we can see, we can already see an Acrobat Reader icon. Moving into the Disk Manager utility, we can also confirm that the app stack has been attached. You can also double check in the Add and Remove Programs that reflects the 7-zip and the Acrobat Reader. We can go ahead and launch the applications individually just to verify that they are in fact attached and installed. And we can also confirm by launching the PDF document that I copied earlier onto this desktop. So this confirms that the app stack with the two applications successfully attached to the XenDesktop virtual machine. We can go back into the App Volume Manager and unassign the app stack. Similar process of highlighting the existing virtual machines that have got the app stack assigned. We now have 0 assignments on the App Stack Manager console. So we need to go back into the virtual machine and reboot to ensure that the App Stack VHD is detached from the virtual machine once successfully rebooted. We'll speed up the process of the reboot, and we can log back into the Citrix XenDesktop farm and launch the virtual machine. And we can verify if in fact the app stack has been detached. The first thing we notice is that the Acrobat icon has disappeared from the desktop. The disk management tool also shows us that the app stack has been removed. The add and remove programs confirm the same, and the PDF document would reflect with an error saying that it's not able to associate the file with an application to open it. This concludes the three-part video on app volume installation and deployment of app stacks within a Citrix XenDesktop and XenServer farm. Thank you.